pulled a couple good games there. We moved up to second. But yeah, we got one to go. I don't know if that's ideal or not, because now we got a ball against Chris and Bree. We're at the Lucy. We're not bowling with Bree. We're bowling with Jane. Jane's not here yet. 7 games qualifying today. Full doubles games. No Baker. The entire tournament, actually. I'm bowling with last year's Player of the Year, which is really cool. Coming off a little win skis in the regional, so confidence is a little higher. The scores don't seem to be very high, though. Practice felt kind of easy-ish. So we'll see what we have in store today. I brought 9 balls. The urethane ball, the spare ball, Rockstar, Reality, Attending Star, Gremlin, Typhoon, Ember, Ion Pro. So we've got options. There's no PBA truck, can't drill. Sorry I didn't film any practice, I forgot the camera, but we're here today. We have a kid that's gonna help us. I don't know when he's gonna get here. Yeah, could be back in Houston here at Copperfield. Thanks for having us. This tournament's always a lot of fun, regardless of the result. But hopefully this year we have a better result. Let's go.
Such a great job. Which side do you want? Good morning.
Again.
What's up?
Yeah, all right, so good. We're in there, pulled very well. Bless you. Bless you. Chris and Bree got to 138. Jane and I got to 269. So I think we're in the top 5 after the first, or after 3 squads. Very good, kind of grinded. Bowled very bad on a very good pair for 180, but aside from that, stayed in the positive for the most part. My partner bowled exceptionally well. She had 125, I had 144, and we're playing tomorrow. So hopefully we can keep playing like that, and we'll see where we end up.
See, told you. Striking that will.
Finals begin at 11:30.
Yeah, Jane.
3:30 before we determine our champion this afternoon.
good games there. I think we moved up to second. I don't know if that's ideal or not, because now we got a bowl against Chris and Bree. But considering they're probably going to win, maybe they won't be as locked in. But yeah, we got one to go. It's been a really good week so far. My partner absolutely carried me. I've had about 4 good games and a lot of 180s and 190s. So a lot of work to be done, but let's see if we can finish this thing off. Finish second. Maybe give them a run at the top. No, we're done. Hopefully we finish second. We want to finish second. Well, we finished third. Chris the champ. Long overdue. Title number 2 for him. So congrats to Chris. We're gonna let him have his moment.
He's a 5-time PWBA champion with 1 major. They are the winners of the 2025 Storm PBA, PWBA, SABC Mixed Doubles. Your champions, Brianna Cote and Chris Vine. Well, along with these beautiful trophies, they also have a check for a total of $25,000 for this well-deserving team.
You know, lucky enough to be going home with some trophies, but you know, more proud of how much money we raised this weekend. So, thanks to everyone.
Get a quick word from the champ.
That was a lot of fun.
That's
long time coming.
Long time coming. Finally, a full 2 titles. He was at 1.5. Now he's at a full 2.
2.5.
All right, guys. Appreciate you watching. If you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back next year, hopefully with the win. See you guys next time.